Hello guys, we're gonna read hate comments today. Oh no, this is gonna be bad for people. Listen to me, why do I get mean comments? Well, of course, on my latest video, I keep getting hate comments. Of course, I get hate comments. We're gonna start seeing all the hate comments from the worst. We're gonna see the worst. Oh jeez, don't want this. Oh no. We wanna look at the notifications. Only one of them is only in my notifications. I wonder where it is. Oh. This is what I'm not liking. This is millennials. Well, of course. Well, it's a bad word, but I'm a kid, so there. Well, this is one of the meanest comments I've ever had in my channel, on my channel. Of course it is. And one of the mean comments from my subscribers 2 hours ago is, of course, Hayden Dickinson saying, "Boo! Why?" Another mean one. This is but I'm not gonna show funny. I'm gonna show some funny ones. Of course. This is a funny one. Okay. Okay, you can hear my breathing, Norway. You can hear my breathing, Norway. I get it. You can hear my Norway. Oh, jeez. We're gonna see if we can find Andes. Let's see. Of course, the first video but I deleted the first video. I didn't delete the first video. Let's see, it did this. It didn't mind. Did this? Is one of my options? What? No. Oh, sorry, Norway. Well, I have to delete your comment, of course. I have to delete your comment. You know, I'm sorry, Norway. But I had to because you thought I was overestimating. But it's just analysis. Just analysis, boy. Just analysis. I had to remove it. Of course. I'm gonna remove, of course, some of the comments on here. I'm gonna remove Hurricane Camille's. Okay, I'm gonna remove this and remove this. There we go. Oh, there. That's one. Okay. Okay. I deleted a bunch of comments there. Okay, I'm sorry. I deleted a bunch of comments. I deleted. Why? Oh. Illuminati. What? Did I get anything? I don't know. I can't stand and in the live stream. By the way, yeah, you're the live stream. You control it all. Marilyn! Marilyn! Norway? Norway? I wanted to say Norway, but I accidentally did a voice crack, and I said Maraway. Norway? This is one of my live streams, guys. I made videos since April. Oh,
guys, it's Hurricane Stan. This is my first.
Of course, for runs. Now I commented. My PFF farted on one of my videos. Nate farted! Okay, Hurricane Nate, we got you! You farted! Farted. And all comments can I show? I can see the story. I can put right into the script. What? Oh no, I accidentally removed them. No! No! I thought I would only remove his comments! No! I accidentally removed them! No! I thought I could delete only his comments. No! 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 Oh. Let me see. How do I fix this? I don't know how to fix this. How do I fix this? No. What? No. Oh. I want to fix this. I want to see his comments. But
Hey guys, it's Hurricane Stan.
Why? Guys, this is a long video, so I'm gonna end it. Bye.